I'm Robbert Monteban. I'm the director of EV for the Benelux. And I'm extremely excited to be here and to see that you all want to innovate and all want to challenge the actual acceleration of the energy transition. I think we play an enormous role in this, and it needs to go faster. It just needs to go faster. Nissan is one of those pioneers in the electric mobility, starting in 1947 with the first electric vehicle. Now we're at the age of 2011 with a new leaf, really destined to mass production. We want to make sure that we have accessibility to a wider audience. So therefore, the first leaf was already a success because since 2011 we're market leader in the worldwide market leader in the sales of electric vehicles. More than 300,000 of those cars have been sold worldwide. As you see, this is the next generation, already received quite a number of awards. And it's all about intelligent mobility because it goes, as you can see in the lobby, it goes about more than just mobility. And I'll touch upon that in the slides. So like I said, it's about the car and beyond. Mobility is fine, but we need to help you all in terms of the energy transition. So my presentation is about Nissan Intelligent Mobility. It's about getting vehicles so connected. Stefan already referred to the best kept secret from Nissan. You can use this battery for bidirectional purposes. So the vehicle-to-grid solutions you see in the lobby are those elements like, okay, the car, when it stands still, it can be a source of power for your energy household. So whilst other manufacturers are looking at intelligent driving, intelligent power, it's all about making the customers more confident with the technologies that are in place. We're looking also at intelligent integration. So to make sure that the actual car will be a part of the overall society, not only by connecting cars just for car sharing, but also using that power, the battery on wheels, to provide households or to provide energy sources to the grid. So we call this intelligent integration. And since 2013, every Leaf and every EMV 200, which is the van, is capable of delivering the energy back to the grid or back to the household. So what we'd like to do, and especially Nissan is keen on reaching this mass target group, is to look at situations where you can store the energy which you generated yourself through the solar panels or through wind turbines. So Sophie, there's an opportunity here to basically store that energy into your car or into what Stefan earlier on mentioned, the X storage, the static storage. So you can use that energy at other situations. So once there is no sun, once there is no wind, you can basically draw that energy back from the car.
At Nissan, we believe the future is electric. So what will the fuel station of the future look like? We think it could be this. Charged by the sun, wind and the oceans, cars could empower people to store and then distribute renewable energy. So what can we do to really shift the balance from fossil fuels to renewables? Through our battery and intelligent drive technologies, we may have some answers. With Nissan's wireless charging and universal connectivity, this is not just any street, this is a smart street. The cars, houses, roads and grid are all in sync, connected. Recycled Leaf batteries can be turned into smart home storage so that no clean energy goes to waste. And it doesn't stop there. With zero-emission technology, when you pull up at your workplace, you could drive straight into the office. An automated parking system would whisk your car away to be recharged, or the battery could even be used to power your office. The whole city could be connected. What if clean energy was so abundant that it became a free commodity to be shared amongst the city and its people? Our cities have the power to be transformed. Places once occupied by car parks and fuel stations could be replaced by green spaces, building a cleaner, kinder urban environment for our children and our children's children. At Nissan, We want to unlock the true potential hidden in our cities, and we believe that zero-emission and piloted drive technologies could be the key. What if the fuel station of the future wasn't a fuel station at all? We believe the fuel station of the future is your home, your street, your city, your car.
So, yeah, I need to move on because I'm running out of time, and I can carry on for hours. But of course, in the end, you're going to be challenged on all those smart charging challenges. So, like I mentioned, static storage is one of those products we're going to commercialize, where we use second life batteries that have been used in the leaf for actual storage in the households. We do vehicle to grid, again, the battery concept, battery on wheels concept. And on top of that, we do another couple of electrify the world initiatives, which are also pretty vital to accelerate the actual energy transition. I name a few. Just around the corner where Olaf was coming from, we're going to launch the largest collectively financed solar roof panel project end of April with 8,900 solar panels. And in fact, the actual energy we will be generating is 2.8 million kilowatt hours, which is basically 500 times around the world within a Nissan Leaf, or energy for 900 households. We'll get back to you with the press releases fairly soon. Another one is in fact using the second life batteries at the Amsterdam Arena. Will be live around June timing. It's a 4 megawatt hour storage, where in fact the arena would, like at peak moments, use the battery. Will buy in fact at low tariff or low rate times the energy, and on top of that they have 4,000 solar panels, so they will put the sustainable energy in the batteries, will use it for buffering, for load management, but also will be acting at the energy market, because they realize by being innovative, by being sustainable, they even can generate money. That will come in June. And last but not least, and then I really stop, is in fact think about all those companies that are struggling to meet the emission standards, where they currently use fossil fuel and they see the need to switch to a more sustainable solution. So therefore, we've been contacted by Schiphol Group, like, come and help us. We know we can't have those airplanes flying on electricity as yet, but also we are concerned about our people at the airfields who are constantly in front of those diesel generators. So we've developed, together with a company called ITW, an eGPU, which is just an electric ground power unit. And this unit is basically capable of having 6 of those airplanes on standby mode by being powered by Nissan Leaf batteries. So think about all those kind of electrify the world initiative, and it doesn't necessarily need to be a Nissan or a Renault or whatever. We're doing great if we get more motion into this. And I really thank you for basically the opportunity to speak a little bit about all those nice initiatives, and I wish you good luck on your smart charging challenge the coming 24 hours. Thank you.